G'day, I'm out here in New Zealand on a ride on my folding bike. It's the height of summer right now. It's a super hot day, middle of January. That's summer for us. And I'm just heading down to the beach. It's probably about 10 k's away from here. I'm just passing through a little village. I'm going to be filming a little bit of my ride, show you guys a bit of the scenery of New Zealand. I've been having like a super good time actually just hanging out in the members area. There's a few people over there now and I'm starting to get a bit of feedback around what you guys want to see, which is super cool. If you haven't had a look already at the Hobo Club, that's where you'll get responses to your comments. You'll get to have a few chats and things with me if I'm online, and also I am putting a few members only videos up there as well. I've just hit the main road now, so I might have to put the camera away. Well, maybe I can get onto this footpath over here. It's a super busy road right beside me. There's a rest area up here. I'm going to pull over and I'll give you guys a look at the bike. You can see that sun burning down on me. My goodness, it's hot today. This is super nice. It's quite a big lake here. So I've still got the same bike. Still the same one that I had. Nearly 2 years old now. I didn't buy it new, of course, it was second hand. It only cost me 20 bucks. But I've done a bit of work on it. I just haven't showed it for a while. We'll have a bit of a closer look while we're here, and then I'll keep riding. I hope to get to the beach in time for a nice cool dip. So this is a aluminium frame folding bike with 20-inch wheels, and I've got the front and rear luggage carrier. So that's the bike. Bit of a close-up there for people that haven't seen it before, and for those that have, another look at it, and you can see that I haven't done much to it. I'm going to get sunburnt standing out here. Time to hop back on the bike and ride off towards the beach. Whoa! I've just gotten off the big highway and I'm on this small road heading out to the beach. I should probably check my brakes when I get back, do a little work on the bike. You can see the kind of road that I'm on. There's just a little white line separating me from the cars, and luckily there's not too much traffic at this time of day. There's a bit of traffic coming the other way. Oh man, it's so cool being out on New Zealand Road and sort of riding downhill around all the cool trees and stuff. I'm just about to pop out. I think around this corner I'll start to see the beach. Oh, I better pull over a little bit. And some of these cars are getting a bit nervous. It's not usual to see cyclists on the road in New Zealand. There's not that many cycle trails here, and cycling around the country means that you do have to use the highways with the cars. Here we go, we're about to see the beach. There it is. Look at that. This is like a super epic part of the ride. I'm really glad to share this with you guys. Big shout out to the members. Hobo Club members, you guys get to see this first. Beautiful day for riding. Whoa! Better keep my eyes on the road. So let me know in the comments, what do you guys think of the riding situation here? Would you ride on this road? I know you guys wanted to see more of New Zealand, so this is what it's like. To be honest, it's a bit hair-raising. Even for me, I've ridden all over the place, but I would say this is a bit sketchy. The cars are pretty close. Yeah, okay. So on this part of the ride, there's no shoulder. There's no shoulder there at all. So I'm right out here now, so excuse me if I just put the camera away for this, but that was exciting. All right, we're in the beach. We're at the beach village. Nice. Oh wow. I'm gonna flip the camera, show you guys. Alright, I gotta find a place to have a swim. I think over there in New Zealand we swim between the flags. That's part of the deal. So there's an area on the beach with lifeguards, and that's a safe spot for swimming. Just gotta find a place to put my bike. That's magic. Oh wow, it's a super nice ride. Sun's going a bit low in the sky now. I've got a little bit of light left to to get back.
Is it still alive?
It's tough. Right, the camera just blew over for the second time, and this time I've broken off the mic cable, so that's toasted. Rats. Anyway, good ride today out to the beach. Bike's doing good. This is going in the bin. I'll see you in the next one.